everyone, let's make silky creamy almond milk at home with a very simple recipe. No special equipment needed. You can even use it in baking or add it to your favorite beverage. In this video, I will share tips to achieve the perfect texture and flavor, and also show you how almond milk can be used to make delicious masala tea at home. So let's start. First, we need to soak some raw almonds. Take 1 cup raw almonds, pour enough water to cover them, and let them soak for at least 8 hours. Now the almonds have soaked and are ready for the next step. You may remove the peels if preferred, but it is a tedious process and it is just as good to make almond milk without removing the peels. Let's rinse the almonds. Now place the rinsed almonds in a blender. Add about 4 cups of clean filtered water. Now just run the blender for 4 to 5 minutes until the almonds are ground very finely. This is an important tip. We have to grind the almonds as finely as possible to get thick almond milk. The almond paste looks good now. Let's place a sieve over a bowl. Then place a cloth sieve over it, whether linen or cotton will do. A nut milk bag can also be used. Press out some of the milk with a spoon to make our work easier. Now bring the cloth sieve together and try to squeeze out as much almond milk as possible. There you have it, thick, lovely looking almond milk. We can add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla essence to enhance the taste. A sweetener like date may also be added during the grinding process. Today I'm using the almond milk for my masala tea. I will brew some tea. After straining, I will add some almond milk. This is a healthy, plant-based tea. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple recipes. Until then, happy cooking!